What's up, beautiful people out there? Yep, it's getting done. It's getting done. Yep, beautiful rain outside. But I'm still inside, so it ain't gonna matter to me. Boy, oh boy, rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. Woo! These past 2 days been crazy. Today is Sunday. Sunday. The 18th of August. Shucks. Time is flying like I don't know nothing about it. So, for the past couple of days, this light is killing me. Oh, just a little bit. All right. So, yes, between yesterday and today, actually, I gotta do one more engine mount. So I got the 1320 engine mounts on both sides. This side, I cover this side because I'm gonna end up painting the transmission. I already have started cleaning the greasing, so you can see the difference between this side and pretty much over there. That thing looks dirtier than I don't know what. This car has not. Yep, so 1320 solid. I just gotta do the middle one and I'm all good. The car is on floor jacks, 3-ton floor jacks, so I took everything off of here. Mother Nature's being rude right now. So I took everything, all my tires off, so to a point that I have to do the brakes. I'm gonna redo the brakes over. Not the over. They're gonna get retro over pretty much. They're gonna be brakes because right now they on drums. They'll get switched over. It's getting done. You gotta get it done. I'm tired of looking at it. When you're tired of looking at certain things in your house, or it doesn't matter if it's a project car, it doesn't matter. You're gonna get tired of looking at it. Oh. I redid the whole line for my headlight units cord. I can't even think of it right now. But just this little mesh stuff right here. I just took it and wrap it out from one side to the other side, make a little hole. Try and get the second one in there so it looks neater, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I might make it happen, but I don't know yet. Once this is completed, I am be happy and grateful, and then get it started. That'll be another thing. Just today, I just started to. A few minutes ago, I just started to clean the transmission. Degrease the transmission. Clean it real good. Yeah, Mother Nature is. I'm so glad I'm inside. Look at this. This weather right here. I'm so glad I didn't stay home. Because I'd be bored. And I'd be like, oh, I didn't do nothing. This is why I come here. Because I need to do something. Where we at with this car? So, I gotta do, like I said, I gotta do one more engine mount. Where the hell is that damn engine mount? Uh-oh. Huh? Uh-oh. Shoot. It's around here somewhere. Is that it? Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, I found it. Along with that. So, this is the rear engine mount that's got to be placed in the back. Soaked through a PV blaster yesterday. I'm just giving myself a break from the engine mounts because, boy, this stuff is not easy as you think it is. So once I get that back on, I'll be pretty good to go. What else we got going on? Yeah, that's actually it. That'll be done with the engine mounts. I'm gonna try to loosen the bolts today. At least if I get those loosened, I gotta go back here because the rain is so loud back there in the front. Once I get those engine mounts, bolts loose, I'll be good to go. I'll be good to go, and that'll be all for pretty much the parts that I ordered and putting on the car. I'm telling you, this stuff is not easy, man. Especially, but you know what? I'm glad I'm making it through. I'm glad I came out today to get it done. Majority of all the stuff I've done, I've done to the car. Pretty much, like I said, just me right now. I have a friend of mine that said he will help me, but he's on crutches right now. So, that being said, I gotta keep pushing through, get as much done as possible with this car as I can. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, if you got help, or if you don't got help, just keep pushing through, man, because I'm telling you, I still got my, look at this. My metaphor, I still got stuff in here. I got my, what's that? This is a brake pad. There, got my, my brake pads back here. Oh, I gotta get rid of those. The faulty engine block, the engine block. Oh no, I might keep those. Nope, those are brake pads. I gotta start putting this stuff together. I have my Acura stuff mixed in with my Honda stuff, which is always fun. I gotta make a box. My baluster, I need to put this on the Acura. I wanted to do it today, but that's not happening. I wanted to do it yesterday, that's not happening yesterday. I might put these in the car. I might do it at my apartment, but I might not. I like coming here because it's quiet and nobody really here. But, again, this stuff is so fun to do. Working on a car is fun, but it can break your pockets and it might break your whole body. It might break your whole body. What else I have in here? I have... Oh, that's what I was doing. The conversion brakes for this car. That's what it is. I couldn't think of it at the same time. So the conversion brakes I ain't gonna do. I just gotta figure out how to do it. I think I told you guys a couple of videos ago. Here's the brackets. It looks very easy, as they all say. It looks very easy, but when you start doing it, you like, nope, those are the brake pads. Okay, those are brake pads. That's not the conversion. What's this one? What else we got going on with this car? Yeah, but I'm pushing through. That's not what I was looking for. The brake calipers. That's what I was looking for. Duh, right here in my face. So, I am planning to do the back brake calipers. There's one. Oh, dang, there's a lot of stuff in here. This stuff is never fun. The brake calipers for the back of the car. I'm having a hard time getting stuff off the bag. So I guys show you guys. Finally got it off the bag. So these are the brake calipers for the Honda. These are the ones. I got 2 of them. Where did I go? And to get the brake calipers for this car, I want an A Premier to get them. I make sure that just for the calipers, and for the brackets, for these brackets, I went on Scarebird for the brackets. They say there was a whole bunch of hardware too. So, so that will work out for me. I have one bolt that's for my suspension that I ordered yesterday because I thought I put it in my suspension, and my suspension is, I'm just nosy as everybody else. My suspension, thought there's a bolt that's towards my suspension, for my suspension. I thought I put it in there, so it kind of screwed me up. So I do have one in there, and the thread itself is not that great. Damn light, it's so bright in my face. It is so bright. So, that being said, ooh, oh snap. I just found me a whole new selfie stick on a jack pole. This look dope. I'm all goofy as a motherfucker. But anyway, so this car's getting done. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of time in. You got time out. You got to find time for yourself, how to do it, when to do it. Figure out certain things that's working for you, what's not working for you. For me, I found like even down to like rewrapping my lines for my the lights and the sensor lights. Other people did it a different ways. I found a different way to do it, only because I just didn't want to go crazy. People's like, you can push it back through your underneath your dashboard and go through the driver's side or passenger. I was like, yeah, and I did find a way to do it for myself. I just made another hole. There's a little plug on the side, inside of the engine, and what I did is drilled it out a little bit bigger, just on the opposite side, and it works out perfect too, because there's another hole matching that hole, so it worked out perfect for me, and I made it work. You know, I went from left to right to connect to all the sensors. I have these little zip ties with the little push ins that you could use for your engine bay. So again, it's one of those things that's how it is. These are, let me see if I can go lift it up. Yep, so this is how I wrap it up. I was gonna order another one, but they wanted between, and I know it's all professional stuff to do it, but they wanted $200-300. And so I just went to Harbor Freight. This is about, I think about 10, 8, 9, like maybe like $10 or something like this. Wrap my lines up. That's it. And the only thing I gotta wait for is the wrap tape or something like that for automotive. I went on eBay to get it. I got like 3 of them for like $10 or something like that. But no, this is a project car, man. I'm telling you. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you have help or not. Just keep pushing yourself and doing it. That's the way I look at it for myself. And like I started taking off, like even my transmission, the front of my transmission, even the back. I'm gonna do the front first, then the back, and then I'm gonna spray paint it and get it out the way, because one less thing I have to do and one thing I have to worry about it and doing it, and then cool, and then putting the car back together. That's gonna be fun. I happen to take my brake lines apart. Gotta figure that out. What else I had to go? I took the manifold was easy, but just to put the bad boy back together, I gotta. It's fun. It is fun. Like I said, you just gotta make your time work. You gotta make your time worth. Just make your time for it, and make sure it's worth it, because you know I have friends to me now. Oh, you should put a case swap. I don't have the money for the case swap right now. It is what it is right now. I know people like, oh, everybody, no. And if I do swap an engine, it won't be a case swap. I really probably do something different. But I have always said that because it's a car. I had this car for a very long time. So it gives me the pleasure, like, to choose an engine where I can get it done when things get great down the line, yeah, I will swap it out. For what? Don't know yet. So, yeah, I have friends that's very supportive and still tell me to keep swap it out, but it's a lot of money. You know, if you don't have friends around you to help you or a shop to help you and you don't know what the hell you're doing, you're screwed. It'd be nice to have a new engine here. It'd be nice. It'd be cool. For right now, this engine only has 112,000 miles. So I just want to get it done out the way. This is a very grateful thing that I'm doing. Like I said earlier, I could have been home sleeping, but I'm working on this bad boy. Goes to show you, sometimes you make that sacrifice. I don't care if it's on a Sunday, I don't care if it's on a Saturday. You after work, tomorrow, after work, as soon as I'm done with work, I gotta come here. Get it done, out the way. Cause I really gotta get it done. I'm sorry, I smell myself. I thought smell. Ugh. But make a long story short, this is good. It's been grateful. I'm happy how things coming out. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do the motor mounts. I'm gonna try to get that out the way. What else we got going with the car? I think that's pretty much it. So we are moving. I am moving along with this car and getting things out the way. You know my quote: if nobody gonna do it for you, you gotta do it for yourself. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for chilling with me. Thank you. Just thank you. Around the world. I don't know who's watching. I don't know who's going to inspire, but thank you, and thank you. I'm just a humble person just working on the car. So, on that note, catch you next time. I'll keep you updated. Adios.